Poetry is an expression of thoughts and emotion. Words describing feelings. Listen as each word sings. Of family and friends or places your imagination brings. Look around. What do you see? Is it colorful? Is it dark? Or light? Is it wonderful and bright? Describe it. Write it down. Listen. What do you hear? Is it a bell or a yell? Or like music, gentle, relaxing? Or a thump, a pounding, a banging? Describe it. Write it down. Express your thoughts and emotions. For what is poetry but one of our imaginative expressions?
In Karen's world.